Wow, you don't start the Oh my god. Okay, I need to. Okay. Can. Hey, this is better. Whatever. Oh my god. I really want to kill someone now. I badly want to kill someone. Okay. I'm so sorry if this is slanted, but hi! Welcome to TimeTech, TimeTech Plus, TimeTech Ultra, and TimeTech Lite. Well, this is going to be a announcement video. So that's why it's in landscape. If you're watching on social media platforms like TikTok, it will be landscape, so you may have to flip it around. Okay, let's do a little bit of organization of my channel. Okay, so small little announcement. This is going to be a small little video about my channel announcement, I guess. So yes, let's sort this out for once and for all. So TimeTech, there are four different kind of placements, right? So there's TimeTech, which is the main one that you are seeing in YOUTUBE, because some platforms actually don't allow you to mention other platforms. Then TimeTech Plus, which is also in the same platform. Then we have TimeTech Ultra, which will be the IG, with the official IG, where I post quite a lot of like spicy stuff, quite a lot of spicy content. You like hot takes in general. Sorry, I'm still not well. Then there is also TimeTech Lite, which is on TikTok, where I stream on Fridays. Not very sure on which Fridays, but usually it'll be on Fridays where I stream. So yeah, if you love to watch me stream, go over to TikTok on TimeTech Lite. I will be there and I will stream on Fridays. Again, I am not really fixed on which Friday it is, because there are some Fridays where I just can't stream at all. So if I can't make promises, don't make them at all. Okay, then TimeTech Plus, I will occasionally just post videos up there. It's been like 1 year plus, 2 years since I posted a new video, I think. I should post something there. This will be there. Then we have TimeTech, which again is the regular stuff, is where you most commonly see me talk about stuff, I guess. Then I guess it's all. Yeah, so just a little bit of like the platforms that you can follow me. There's that, and I also have one platform which is quite dormant. I'm not very sure what I should do with it, because if TikTok is going to be live, and this is a live streaming platform. If y'all didn't know, it's TWITCH. As I said again, I'm not allowed to. I don't think anyone's allowed to mention platform names on TikTok, right? So let's do that. Let's just spell it out that way. So I don't know what I should do with it. I don't think I should go live with it, since I have like TikTok live already. Maybe I should, but like as of now, it is meant to watch my favorite streamers in that platform. So we see how it goes. Okay, but anyway, hope you are doing fine. It's March 7 at the point of recording. I really hope you are doing great. Have an awesome day, night, weekend, afternoon, evening, midnight. I don't know, but yeah, and I'll see. I actually ran out of video ideas on time content, so we'll see. Okay, I'm sorry if this is going to act as a placeholder video for my tech content, because I am working on a 400 subscriber special, which yeah, again, thank you all so much for the support. We are still a small channel, but we'll get there. So thank you all so much for the support. That's it now. Bye.